Now we are going to see the uses of aluminium. Aluminium is used as a heat exchanger and also a cooking vessel. Now aluminium is used as wraps, that is aluminium foils, and also used as a packing material. Aluminum is not a very strong metal, so it combined with the other metal like copper, manganese, magnesium and silicon and become as a strong one. Afterward it used in the design of aeroplane and other forms of transport. And also aluminum has a high resistance to corrosion, so that they are used in chemical reactor, medical equipment, refrigeration unit and gas pipeline. And also aluminum is a good electrical conductor and also CP1. So it is used in the electrical overhead electric cable with a steel core for strength. Now we are going to see the uses of zinc. To protect the iron from rusting, the zinc metal is coated on the iron. That process is called as galvanization process. For that process, zinc is used here. Next one, zinc is used to produce die casting. That die casting is in automobile, electrical and hardware industries. Zinc oxide is used in the products like paints, rubber, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, plastics, inks, batteries, textiles and electrical equipment. Zinc sulfide is used in making luminous paints, fluorescent lights and X-ray screens. Next, brass. Brass is an alloy of zinc with copper. It is used in water valves and communication equipment. It is a high resistant to corrosion. Now we are going to see the uses of iron. That iron alloys are used in bridges, electricity pylon, bicycle chain, cutting tools and rifle barrel. Cast iron is used in the making of pipes, valves and pump stoves, and also iron used to produce the magnet also. Next, stainless steel. What is stainless steel means? It is made up of iron with the chromium, 10% chromium and carbon. Based on the carbon, that is divided into three types: mild steel, medium steel and high carbon steel. This steel is used in architecture, bearings, cutlery, surgical instrument and jewelry. Nickel steel. It is used in making cables, automobiles and aeroplane parts. Chrome steels is used in the manufacturing of cutting tools and crushing machines. Next we are going to see the application of copper. Copper is the first metal used by human. It is that age is called as Bronze Age. What is bronze means? It is a alloy of copper with tin and also other metal like phosphorus, manganese, aluminium and silicon. The copper is used in the making of coin and ornament with gold plater, and it is used in the making of wires, water pipes and other electrical parts. Next, application of gold. It is a precious one and it is used in the coinage, and it is a standard for monetary system in some other countries. What is monetary means? It is related to money. And with in jewelry, it is used as used with copper, and we are going to make a cheap jewelry and also gold plated watches and artificial limb joint and dental filling and electrical connectors. Gold nanoparticles, they used to increase the efficiency of solar cells and also they used as a catalyst. This picture shows that it is an iron pillar. It is situated, another name for this pillar is Ashoka pillar. It is situated in Delhi. It is established around 1600 years before. Even though it is established 1600 years before, there is no rust on the surface of the iron pillar. This is because of a complicated substance that is produced by the raw iron material with cycles of weather. This complicated material name is mesovite. What is mesovite means? It is a compound of iron, oxygen and hydrogen. They does not form a rust and it gives the corrosion resistance.